Good morning, everybody. It's about 6:30 in the morning, and God, I got so much I got to do today, but it's almost overwhelming at times. Definitely have to mow the lawn. The birds are very vocal today. Not so much right this second, but I'll put a video in that I took not too long ago. But I've got to get trucks moved so I can get the mower through the gate there and get something done. One thing I definitely want to work on this weekend is getting the side yard cleaned up. You can see how the wood pile's kind of falling apart. I'm thinking about, I don't know if I'll get it done this weekend, but as you can see I uncovered it, let it air out in this beautiful weather we're having. I'm thinking about taking those two totes over there, stacking everything here, and then I gotta start thinking about building a woodshed. I gotta get rid of some of this redwood though. It's just not good to burn. It's almost gone, but we'll see. Another thing I gotta work on is this shop. It's just, again, a mess. I've got my 3 monitors out here. I replaced those with a single 27-inch Samsung curved monitor. So I got to find a place to store those, and I'm trying to figure out how to upload these videos. I was looking over the analytics with another YouTuber who happens to be my brother, who does pretty well for himself considering. And we kind of, people seem to fall off after like 5 or 10 minutes. Mostly like 5 minutes, people are just like gone. And his recommendation is start posting 5-minute videos. Then your retention rate goes way up and they show it to more people. I just don't know if I can do what I do in a 5-minute video, so I might try doing more 5-minute videos. Maybe to lure in more people. I don't know, we'll have to wait and see. I like making the longer ones, but nobody watches them, why am I making them? But I don't know. We'll see. It's just something I have to play with. I don't know. I might try that this weekend. One thing I did work on this week after work was the laundry room where I grow stuff. It's a hot mess right now. I got much more to do in here, but this is my old green screen where I used to sit and film stuff. And here, let me get down here and get a light. And I kind of put it back together because I'm thinking about starting to do that stuff again. So, got the camera all set up in there right in front of the server cabinet with the light. I've got more lights, but yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Either way, there's a heck of a lot more room in here now. Oh, what a difference a couple of hours makes. So I decided to run to town. I had to get a couple things, and I found these awesome aquatic plants that I'm going to put in the fish tank. You can't really see. Can I peel this label off? No, not easy. Well, maybe. I'll probably have to just show you guys once it... Yeah, I'm going to have to show you guys once it's in the fish tank. But this is a little aquatic fern. Bulbidus Microsorium SP, I guess. It says snail free on it. That's wonderful for the fish tank. And then I got this gorgeous creature right here. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Probably not that well at all. How's that? Is that better? It grows on rocks underwater. That's pretty awesome. I really like this one because it's kind of bright and cheery. So yeah, that's that. I've got to remove some of the plants from some of the fake plants from the fish tank and add these real plants, and I'm super excited about that. I also got a new, let me see if I can show you guys. I got a new webcam for when I'm sitting here working at the desk. It's a Logitech something, 933, Logitech G933, something like that. Anyway, back to the plants, because they're amazing. So I'm going to work on that. I don't think I'm going to show any of it. I'll probably just come back when the job is done and show you guys what they look like. Alright guys, here we go. I set out to fix it. The only thing left now is to replace the belt, and I had to buy multiple belts because those people at Lowe's are incompetent. And this is about the 14th time we've changed this belt, and we keep getting the wrong ones. They keep swearing, yeah, it measures, blah, 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 blah. And the bad thing is, we're bringing the old belt with us, but whatever. So change the belt, and I can send this thing back after I test drive it for a while. But it'll be going back tomorrow, assuming we get this belt on okay. So, time to do that. Well, everybody, the sun is starting to go down. I didn't record much today. I got a lot done, but I didn't record much today. But I'm going to pack it in now, and we'll see you tomorrow. Well, everybody, I don't remember if we talked this morning or not. I didn't do a lot of filming today. I did some filming, but I did a lot of work around the property. First of all, we unboxed and reviewed this Craftsman WS4200 4-cycle 30cc gas trimmer. If you guys are interested in that kind of thing, then look forward to that video coming soon to see what I think about it. And I figured, since I didn't review or didn't talk much today, didn't film much, that we'd take a walk around the property and look at the work that I did. First of all, the wood cover, wood pile is on. God, I'm just talking dyslexic today. I'm sorry. And my screen is like covered in grass trimming, so hopefully it's okay. Did a lot of mowing and trimming today in the back lawn and the front lawn. The birds are all out frolicking right now because of all the weeds and stuff that I cut. There's the quail. Did a whole bunch of cutting out in the back 40. We got a lot of work to do out here this year. I don't know how long it's been since I've showed you guys the back 40. The berry bush is like leaning over. I'm going to rip it out of the ground completely and get rid of it. I don't know if you can see how bad it's leaning, but we had a storm that just completely just ripped the cage out of the ground completely. So it's leaning over at like 45 degrees. With any luck, there'll be some bantam chicks in there tomorrow. Start taking care of more of the weeds back here. Gotta get that emptied out. I got a lot to clean up. Look at the beautiful pink flowers in that tree. Let's walk over there and look at it. It's a peach tree I grew from a seed. Tons of bees around it right now. See if I can get one. It's pretty cool. I started cutting up the hill, but I think I gotta hit this with a weed eater before I do much of anything. I think I'm gonna cut these trees down. They're just kind of an eyesore and they're gonna become a problem eventually. So I think I'll probably just cut them down, use them from kindling. Yeah. All this garbage here. Still got a lot to do, but I feel accomplished for the day. And unfortunately, I think this tree is dead. So we're probably going to cut that down this year. We'll watch it and see what it does, but we're probably going to cut it down this year. It's my brush pile I got to take care of. So yeah, the what are they called? Freesias. The freesias are just doing amazing right now. The smell is wonderful. Hey quail, hey quailies, why aren't you laying any eggs? Why aren't you laying any quail eggs? We got one male and one female. We were gonna breed them and multiply them, but it hasn't worked out yet. Every batch of eggs we incubated, we started with 3 females and 1 male, and every bit of egg we incubated, it didn't happen, didn't hatch. So we might try again this year, or we might not. I'm not sure, but I'll tell you what, those eggs are delicious. Highly recommended. The yolk is, I would have to say, less flavorful than a chicken egg, but the white is more flavorful than a chicken egg. So yeah, excited about that. These guys are doing wonderful, but I gotta cut them way back because the main plant, you can see, oh my god, shadows. The main plant is right there, and it's just, they're spreading. And I don't mind if they spread that way, but they're spreading onto the lawn, and I want to avoid that. So yeah, that's what we've been working on. We're going to continue working on it. I got to get the shop cleaned up so I can get the tractor parked back inside there. I got to get a whole bunch of stuff, all these tarps cleaned up. They're talking about a chance of rain tomorrow. I think I'm just going to leave the wood uncovered though, because just let it dry out. I mean, it's been drying out good the last couple days since it's been uncovered, but I think I'll just leave it uncovered. If it rains on it a little bit, I got like a half a cord on the back patio, so I don't think I'm going to need, that's going to be like all I need for the year. But time to get it done. So anyway guys, I think I'm going to end this video now. I got some cleanup to do. My god, the shop is just a disaster. You probably can't see it in there. We'll go back in there real quick. But I think I'm gonna end this now and get a whole bunch of cleanup stuff done, and we'll see you guys on the next video.